On a cold, dark night, Emma decided to stay late at the library. She loved the silence, the smell of old books, and the dim lights that cast eerie shadows across the empty shelves. As the clock struck midnight, Emma heard a soft whisper. At first, she thought it was her imagination, but then the whispers grew louder. The voice was faint, like a distant echo, but unmistakable. Emma's heart began to race. She looked around, but no one was there. She tried to ignore the voice, telling herself,
It's just the wind.
But the whispers continued, coming closer and closer.
Come to the last room. Come to the last room.
Against her better judgment, Emma felt drawn to the voice. She walked slowly down the narrow, dark hallway, her footsteps echoing. With trembling hands, Emma opened the door. Inside, she saw a mirror. Her reflection looked back at her, but something was wrong. The reflection smiled, a cold, sinister smile, while Emma's own face stayed frozen in fear. The whisper spoke again.
You're here at last.
Before Emma could scream, her reflection pulled her inside. The last thing Emma heard was her own voice whispering to the next visitor, trapped in the mirror, forever. Here are some questions for you. See if you can answer them. 1. Why did Emma decide to stay late at the library? 2. What did Emma hear while she was alone? 3. Where did the whispers lead her? 4. What happened when Emma opened the door to the last room? 5. What was the last thing Emma heard? Thanks for watching. Write your answers in the comments below and let us know if you enjoyed the story. Don't forget to subscribe for more.